My friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we search about ChatGPT. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. Fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.